O, I, and O, Y have the same sound.
Oi, oi, oi.
Boil, voice, noisy. Toil, oil, coil, foil. Noise, moist. Boy, enjoy, annoy. Soy, joy. Write the missing letters. O, I, O, Y. 1. Boil the oil with soy. 2. Coil the foil around Roy. 3. My voice annoys the boy. 4. We enjoy the toil and the noise. 5. I find joy in moist and noisy fields. Good job.
Bye!